welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started. That's cute.
Let's begin the letter P as in peony, and we're using a 4.5mm size G crochet hook with Caron 1 pound. Let's begin, and we're going to chain a total of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And let's begin row 1. In row number 1, second chain from the hook, go in the back hump there and just go in and single crochet all the way across. Right to the end. I like to turn my work when I start new sets of instructions, but it doesn't say to do that yet in the pattern, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm just going to turn my work, and let's begin row number 2. Now I've already turned my work, so I'm just going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we have to skip the next 3 stitches. So you're going to skip the one that you're in and go to this one and this one and go to this one right here. And you were going to do a slip stitch there, and then it says to leave the remaining stitches unworked. So then it says to turn, and we'll do row number 3, which is the final. So right where we are, we don't want to chain 1 to get ourselves started, but we just want to play within the 5 chains that we created, and we're just going to single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we're going to slip stitch into the top of where you are here. So this strand that I'm using is the strand you want to use to sew it down to your project, so leave that long. The other strand is your starting strand, which you're going to want to deal with, so let's deal with that one. So just grabbing the other strand, which is your starting, grab a tapestry needle, and then just coming down through the back side of your P, and you're weaving it in how many times? 3 is the magic number. I didn't even give you time to answer that. Okay, good. And then you can safely cut that down, and with your long tail of the other one, you can use that to sew the P to your project.